Okay. All right, Dan. Here's your laptop. Flip it upside down. Push the little lever so the battery comes out. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. This little cover underneath there is your hard drive. There's two little screws that you gotta loosen. When they're loose, you have to kind of push this little cap to the side. It'll come off. This is your hard drive. The machine that I'm sending you doesn't have one, so on yours, just take this one out. Two little screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. When you lose the second one, it'll pop out, and you just take it out. So this is your hard drive. The machine that I send you, put it in here, like a little bit at an angle, push it down. And with the screwdriver, tighten the two screws for the hard drive. Put the cover back on. Tighten those two little screws. Put the battery in. Push it shut. And you're set. That's it. Any questions?